You remember the night when we had that party and Azumi came over?
Yeah.
You guys left. I went to go check on him, but she was dead.
What? Why didn't you tell us?
There's no way I could tell you guys.
Who put this ugly string on me?
Which string, stupid?
This one. I can't take it off. This is some kind of joke.
Yuga, I'm leaving.
Megumi. Megumi?
You know, maybe what everyone else was saying is true. There is something odd going around here.
I thought she left before we did.
I called Megumi's house and she hasn't been home for 3 days.
Why do I have a red string around my neck?
Oh my god, not you too.
Oh, I'm just joking. I gotta go. Bye.
Okay, come on, Azumi.
Oh my gosh, look. I have a red string around my neck too now.
I have it too.
I suggest she just came to take a jerk. Come on.
This is what I'm eating. Why are there red strings here?
Yuga, wait!